Hello guys, so I got some new subscriber and I got some good regular subscriber, and I think it's about almost a month or maybe about a month already, or might even be a little bit over a month. But I haven't been posting much fishing videos just because lately the weather just hasn't been as ideal for kayak fishing, and like pretty much like everybody on your days off, it's crap. And then when you're going to work or while you're at work, you look at the weather and it's perfect. People is out there fishing on their kayak, on their boat, enjoying catching fish. And then you're like, all right, the forecast is great. Let's go. It's go time. You load up the kayak, everything's all good to go. You're driving, and all of a sudden you're like, feels pretty windy, and then you show up and it's complete opposite from the nice calm forecast that it was posted online. All right, got my beanie on, my hat, staying warm, and some snow. So time to go do some fishing. The best part about fishing in the snow is you don't need any ice. There's snow everywhere, so free ice. Keep your fish nice and cool. When fishing in the snow, I always bring my heater, because in case you fall in, get wet, or just need to warm up. So all the time. All right, there we go. It's not so cold now. A little sun coming up. Should be good. I went to San Luis Reservoir twice. One time, right a week after I caught the big fish. One was a week ago, and whew, it is rough. I mean, the wind is so strong. As soon as I got there, I'm like, I don't know, it's even worth it even getting in the water. And as soon as I got in the water, it blew me off. And both times I fished less than 2 hours. Pretty much is trying to get to where I want to go at. It takes me about 30 to 40 minutes there. And then the other time is fighting the wind back to the car. So no actual fishing. I caught one fish, one striper on the first trip, and then the second trip I didn't get anything because I was just trying to, ooh, a fish popped up. I was just trying to get on the water. But yeah, I got blown off, so it's too unpredictable out at San Luis Reservoir. And here at least Schaefer, you could kind of tell what kind of weather you're getting. If it says 2 or 3, you're getting 2 or 3. San Luis, it says 2 or 3 miles per hour. I had like over 20 miles per hour. Like, it wasn't even worth it. So today, 1 to 3 miles per hour, and look how calm it is. It's flat, calm. And this is the type of forecast I like, where it's a lot more accurate. San Luis Reservoir, man, not accurate at all. It could show up on a 2 mile per hour wind and be like 15, 16. Too unpredictable. Plus the drive and the parking entrance pass or fee. So like, here I can fish for trout for free. And it's nice and it's calm. Nice and white, beautiful, cold and quiet. I'm the only one on the water and making noises. Let's hope for some action. All right, let's see if we can get one on. See if we could get some of this early morning Winter bite. On the surface. On the surface. Oh, this is crazy beautiful. Nice and peaceful. It's about 99 feet, 100 feet now. 2.7 miles per hour. Water temperature 44.8. There are some fish at the bottom too though. But play around. See what we get. Got one. Oh, did I lose it? I lost it. It didn't hook up right. Got one. So the other reason why I haven't been posting up any videos lately is also because the GoPro has updated their app. And when they update their app, they messed up a lot on their editing software and they put in a lot of garbage, and I might make a video about that, but all the transitioning for the 360s are gone. You only have the regular smooth one, so I can't do any jump cuts anymore. So if there's something in front of me on the side of me, I can't just cut the frame, get you that view, and cut the frame and get you back to the original view. So now whenever I catch a fish or do a video, I'm gonna have to swing the camera around, and it makes it kind of annoying. And if I do want to cut it, I have to cut the video footage, export as its own, come back trying to find the same spot, get a different view, export a separate clip, and then put those two together in a editing software to try to make them connect continuously. So that's been the other issue why I haven't been posting videos, because GoPro's kind of idiotic update. So kind of like right here, usually I would just cut the scene, do a jump cut straight down to where the fish is at, see where the fish swim, jump cut, and then put it right back up. But now I gotta spin the camera all around, zoom in, zoom out, all one continuous, or else it's versus one long clip. I have to do maybe, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 clips and try to find them all and put them all back together as one continuous clip, which is just more work and more irritating. And I'm not liking the edits of the GoPro update. Big old bald eagle. Holy smokes. Doing this thing. Hunting. I got one on the downrigger. Where did it came off? Nope, it's still there. Ooh, it took the big one. The big fat lure. Oh, I guess they're hitting deep now. They're not quite on the surface today. I saw some on the surface this morning. Caught one on the surface, but they're deep today. See how big you are to take that lure. Behind the kayak. Oh! Right at the kayak. What the hell? Oh, that guy was lucky. That seems to be decent size. About like 18 inches. Interesting. Normally, I wouldn't need to use my downrigger at all, but I guess they want to eat it today. So I think because the cold front was so recently, it's only within the past 2 days. I think it's so cold that it changed the trout's feeding habit. Usually, if it's been snowing for a while, they'll be at the top, but I don't know. This recent change just within the past 2 days, I don't know. They're not where they should be at. I'm doing a test on high pressure, low pressure fishing before, during, and after a storm. And after a storm always sucks. Before the storm, great. And this is after a snowstorm, and it's not great. Alright. I think I spent a good few hours in here. And not really biting today. Kind of slow. I think the fish are just somewhere else. Or way deeper. I didn't really meter much of anything. I did one high, one low. The downrigger one bit only once. This one bit 3 times. Bit 3 times. I think the other one bit 1 or 2 times. And so far, one came all the way up. One lost right behind the kayak, and yeah, it's just a slow day. So I think I might just call it a day. Some unagi and some imitation crab. The drive home, it's getting a little foggy, and looks like it's about to come back down, so gotta get the hell out of here. I'm not a big fan of trout because they're so slimy and slippery. I know a lot of people who actually love trout and loves eating everything about the trout, but to me they're kind of bony, slippery, slimy, and I prefer eating with the skin on, so I try to clean the skin. And there are 2 methods of getting the slime off, and to me just a little extra work, especially if you catch a lot of fish. And it's kind of doing like what the commercial salmon fishery are doing, where they put a little vinegar in with some water, and then they'll take the slime out, and you just dip the fish in the little slushy water, and the vinegar kind of pulls it out. Or another method is getting some hot water and kind of just let it sit in the hot water for a little bit. You don't want to sit it for too long because you're gonna cook the meat, or the skin's gonna come off the meat. So I'm gonna do a little hot water, but my pans isn't the biggest, so I kind of got a smaller pan and or Tupperware and stuck in the microwave and kind of use it a little dab. I didn't want to completely submerge the fish, so it did the job. It took the slime off, and the reason why I'm wearing gloves is because touching the camera and or my phone and this and that, and I'd rather not have it on my phone. I don't know if I'm spoiled from eating too many saltwater fish like rockfish, halibut, and lingcod, where they don't have this little bone. Or at least I never seen them having a little bone right here, where the trout actually has it. And it's, if you're gonna pan fry it, it's not bad. I just rather not have it. So I'd rather just cut off a little chunk of meat with the bone, so when I pan fry it, it's just a solid piece of meat with no bones. Well, there you go. Boneless rainbow trout from Shaver Lake. Nice and simple, a little brown. Eat it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully more fishing videos.